We're diving into a creative revolution, turning yourself into an action figure using AI. This is no longer a futuristic idea. It's happening right now. The global AI image generator market hit USD 0.37 billion in 2024, showcasing an 18% growth because tools like this have gone completely mainstream. Today at AllAboutAI, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform a simple photo into a hyper-realistic 3D collectible. What is an AI action figure? First, let's understand what we're creating. An AI action figure is a digitally crafted 3D model of yourself created using artificial intelligence. Tools that combine 3D modeling, photogrammetry, and diffusion models like Nano Banana, Fotor, and DALL can transform a single photo into a lifelike collectible in under 2 minutes. Using advanced AI image to 3D tools, the system analyzes your facial features, proportions, and angles to generate a detailed, miniature version. You can even skip the photo entirely. Modern text-to-3D generators let you simply describe the look you want, such as me as a samurai, me as a superhero, or me as a Barbie character, and the AI instantly brings that vision to life. This trend has rapidly become a new form of social currency and personal creative expression. The 6-step creation guide. Ready to become a collectible? Here's the step-by-step guide on how to turn yourself into an action figure using AI. Step 1. Choose the right AI tool. You need a trusted AI 3D modeling platform. Popular choices include Clipfly, Luma AI, or Meshi. Step 2. Upload your photo or describe your look. If you choose a photo-based tool, upload a clear, front-facing image with good lighting and minimal background noise. If you prefer text generation, type a precise prompt like "me as a Jedi warrior." Step 3. Let AI generate your 3D model. The AI analyzes your face, body, and style, then generates the 3D character. This process usually takes just a few minutes. Step 4. Customize your figure. This is where you fine-tune the details, adjust the outfits, perfect the pose, change hairstyles, or tweak facial expressions until the figure feels just right. Step 5. Export your 3D model. Once you're satisfied, export the file in a common 3D format, such as .obj or .stl. These formats are compatible with most printing platforms. Step 6. Print or order your action figure. Upload your finalized file to a professional 3D printing service like Shapeways or HeroForge. Select your preferred material, size, and finish, and then wait for your personalized AI-generated collectible to be delivered to your door. Pro tips for hyperrealism. You don't want your figure to look like a blurry knockoff. You want it to look museum quality. User feedback shows that 85% of creators need 2 to 4 refinement iterations to achieve perfect results, often struggling with facial accuracy. Here are some pro tips to nail it on the first try. Use multiple reference photos. Supply the AI with photos from the front, side, and angled views for accurate proportions. Avoid filters. Don't use selfies with filters or heavy makeup. They distort your real features. Use natural light. Capture your input photo under soft, natural light to reveal details without harsh shadows. Go professional with PBR. If your chosen tool allows, use PBR, physically based rendering materials for realistic finishes like skin, metal, or fabric. At AllAboutAI, we analyzed all the available tools. For beginners, Fotor AI is a great choice. Just upload your image and select the action figure option, no prompt needed. For hyper-realistic 3D output, Nano Banana delivers unmatched accuracy and visual fidelity using Gemini Nano, with a 5 out of 5 rating for ease of use. For stylized concepts or toy box visuals, ChatGPT's DALL excels at converting text or photos into fun 2D images. If you want your figure to move, Clipfly can generate short animated clips of your AI figure, perfect for social media reveals. UCam Editor stand out for their simplicity and ease of use, making them perfect for beginners. AI uses computer vision and 3D reconstruction to analyze over 68 key facial landmarks and generate generate a detailed mesh topology. Because this technology is so advanced, it's critical to respect legal boundaries. Creating or sharing AI-generated action figures of others without their explicit written consent can violate publicity or personality rights. Always ensure you create figures only of yourself or with permission. The ability to transform a simple photo into a lifelike 3D collectible is truly amazing, democratizing a process that once required professional 3D modeling skills. AllAboutAI predicts this will turn custom figurine creation into a fast, affordable workflow for everyone. Try one of these tools today and share what kind of hero or collector's item you created.